Question 13. Consider the function f of x is equal to p 0.5x plus q, where p and q are constants. The graph of f of x passes through the points 0 and 6 and 1 and 4. So write down two equations relating p and q. So we are going to substitute these 2 points. 0 and 6 will give us one equation, and 1 and 4 will give us a second equation. And that will give us the two equations. So we're going to get 6 is equal to p 0.5 and x is 0. So this is your y, your x and your y there, plus q. So therefore that will be 6. Anything to the 0 is 1 is equal to p plus q. That will be one equation. And the other equation is going to equal 4 is equal to p 0.5. Now x is 1 plus q. So that's going to equal 4 is equal to 0.5 p plus q. So we got our second equation over there is equal to 4 is equal to 0.5 p plus q. Okay, those are our two equations. Then it says find the value of p and q. So we're going to use these two equations over here. We're going to solve them. Can solve them simultaneously. And what I can just do is I can just subtract the one from the other without any further work on it, because I've got a q and I've got a q. And when I subtract this one from that one, when I subtract this whole equation, the q is going to cancel. So I'm going to get 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. P minus 0.5p is equal to 0.5p. So I'm going to get 0.5p is equal to 2. I'm going to divide or multiply both sides by 2 or divide by 0.5p is equal to 4. It's going to double up. So p is equal to 4. Now I can find q just by putting it back into this equation over here. So p is equal to 4. So must this be? Q must equal to 2, because 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So I've got q is equal to 2. So therefore I'm going to have my equation that y or f of x is going to equal p is equal to 4 times 0.5 times x plus 2. Now the final question is write down the equation of the horizontal asymptote of the graph. So the equation for the horizontal asymptote is this one over here. Let me just get rid of a bit of stuff here so I can see my graph. So basically we're going to have, and we can really see it already from the graph. You can see that it's probably going to equal 2 because this graph is coming like that. But we can actually show this. And so let's just put in for x, put in a big number, say 100. X is equal to 100. Let's work this out and using our calculators. So we get 4 times 0.5 to the power of, let's just say 100, put in a big number, and plus 2. And you see that the answer you get for that is 2. It's getting very, very close to, actually not equal to 2, but it's just rounding down to 2. It's so close to that. So your equation for your horizontal asymptote is this line here, and that would be, y is equal to 2.